woodpeckers are the ultimate percussionists. With our rapid-fire pecking, we create rhythmic drumming sounds, marking our territory and communicating with others. Our skulls are like built-in helmets. Specially designed bones absorb the shock of our pecking, protecting our brains from injury. Our tongues are long and sticky, perfect for snatching insects from deep within tree bark. It's like having a built-in insect-catching tool. You can find us woodpeckers all around the world, living in forests, woodlands, deserts, and more. We're adaptable birds, making homes wherever there are trees. We're expert home builders. We carve out nesting holes in trees using our powerful beaks. After we're done, other birds often move in and use our old nests. Our black and white feathers help us blend in with tree bark, keeping us hidden from predators while we hunt for insects. Watch us cling to tree trunks like pros. With our strong claws and tail feathers, we can hang on to trees vertically or even upside down while searching for food. We're not shy about announcing our territory. We use a variety of calls and drumming patterns to let others know where we are and to find mates. Some of us like to stay put, while others take to the skies when the seasons change. We migrate to find food and suitable nesting sites, following the rhythms of nature. Our habitats are shrinking, and that's a big problem. We need healthy forests to thrive. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect our homes and ensure our survival for generations to come. Okay, friends. My friend Pavo, Peacock, is waiting to tell about them in next video. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more interesting kids videos. Thank you.